Hi, I'm Val, the head of the knowledge at the PitchGround. I'm here to show you how you can easily connect MailChimp to Shoppr. Let's check it out. You can do it in a few ways. You can integrate it right away after connecting your shop. Just give it a name, select the platform, click Next and follow the steps. If you've connected your shop but didn't integrate any marketing channel yet, you can use this panel in the Home tab. In this case, make sure you've selected the right shop here in the top right corner, click on the icon of the platform you want to integrate and click on that arrow. Give it a name, click the arrow again, and then just follow the steps. Or you can go to the Profile tab, select the shop and hit that plus button. Now give it a name, select the platform and click Next. Click Connect and log into MailChimp in the pop-up window. You've done! Now if you go back to the Shoppr, you can see that MailChimp is now connected to your shop. To see the data, go to the Profile tab, navigate to your shop and click on the MailChimp icon. There you go! If you have any questions, feel free to ask here in the chat.